have been many months I haven't uploaded any videos on YouTube. So I'm missing this. I'm truly missing this thing. I really want to become a content creator.
So your channel is very down.
Mhm.
So you are work hardly.
Yes, yes. So tomorrow it is 2026. So I have made some plans. So first of all, I will work on my YouTube channel. So it has been more than a couple of months I haven't uploaded any videos. The thing is that I was not able to.
3 4 4 months.
Yeah, yeah.
You are not upload a video
Yeah,
on YouTube.
correct. So you can say during this year, 2025 is not bad for me as a content creator for YouTube. Right?
Oh.
Before 2025, I used to upload several videos on YouTube.
Yeah.
I was getting
I
money.
am watching for your videos.
Yes.
So
I still have 17k subscribers on YouTube. I have capabilities and knowledge how we can grow our videos and how we can get good reach on my
and
YouTube channel.
second channel is English speaking.
Yeah. So in main channel, I will try to cover everything related to English, related to job, whichever I like. So I will do. So I will start my YouTube journey again in 2026 with the new plans or new strategies and with new skills. So I would share my experience. As you know, I have been working in recruitment process since 1 year. So I have got to know several things about recruitment, about job opportunities, about uh, English communication skill. Nowadays, we see English communication skill is so important. So that's why I insist all of people who meet me to speak in English, to start practicing English. So in this way, I will be able to create an environment for learning English.
Yeah.
So here, as I'm speaking in English, there are some people who are looking at me. They are not. They are thinking what I am speaking, but I don't care about others.
Yeah,
Right?
you are right.
So I would like to
So
know.
your plans is 2026.
Yeah.
Okay.
And do you have any
But
other
your
question?
your main plans 2026.
Yeah,
Can you
my
explain
plan-
me?
Yeah, surely I'll let you know everything about my future plan for 2026. So first thing, I'll work on my communication skill, which I have already elaborated on it. Second, I will work on my YouTube channel, and I have already discussed about it. And third thing, I will look for a better opportunity
Yeah.
where I can get good income, and also I will try to become an entrepreneur. Like I will try to invest myself in my own business. So job is something, it is for 9 to 5, but I don't like it. Job only gives the salary, fixed salary, but business is something, it
Business is most powerful.
gives anything, whichever I want.
Yeah.
So I really want to become a successful person in our life, so that I can fulfill my dreams. I can make my parents feel proud.
Yeah.
I can live a wonderful life. So this is the plan for
business.
my upcoming 2026. I will do my job. I am honest with my job. I am satisfied. But the thing is
But,
that I want to grow. I don't want to keep
Any-
myself in a pond.
Free time.
Right? In my free time, I'll utilize to learn something new skills, and will understand about entrepreneur, how we can become entrepreneur or businessman. Yeah, these are the things. Yeah, I will also take care of my job as well, but as meanwhile I will do something so that I can create more than two methods of earning money. One thing which is very important, we should not depend on only one way of earning. We should have multiple options of earning, right, in today's time. So these are the things. So If you have another question, you can tell me.
So
Okay, brother, I have couple of questions. Are you ready to answer those questions? You just
Yeah.
have to try to speak in English.
sure.
Don't worry what you are speaking. If you make any mistakes, I will make you correct. Okay?
Okay.
So in this way, you have to practice. When you speak in front of camera, it will not take time. So in this way, you have to practice. So as you can see, just have to understand how I am speaking, how confident I am while speaking.
Sure, yeah.
So this will take you to the another level when you are speaking in front of people who are not aware about English. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
So don't think about others, what they will be thinking about you. You just have to work hard for reaching your goals. So yeah, my question is, what is your plan for 2026? As you have already covered, you will get an admission in B Pharma.
B Pharma.
That's okay.
So, B
Admission will
Pharma-
start in May, right?
My.
But before May, I don't think so. You will only be busy with in wedding. You have also some time you can learn something new. So what do you think about it?
I am learn and trial speak in English.
Okay, you will learn and
So,
try to speak in English.
I am work hard.
You will
because,
work hard.
You,
When we listen. When we talk about future,
yeah.
so we use will word. Like I will try, I will learn English language. When we are talking about present moment, so yes, we can say I am walking. Right now I am walking.
Mhm.
So it is present time. So here I can use I am walking, I am going, this tractor is coming. So this is present tense.
Yeah.
I'm tomorrow I will do something. So it is future.
Future.
Right? When we talk
Future.
about yesterday, the
Future.
previous day, so it is past tense, which has already gone.
हाँ मतलब
Right? Yesterday I
जा
came
चुका है.
to your house, right? So it has already passed. So it is known like past tense.